Homegrown Music is a production of the North Carolina Channel. Major funding is provided by Duke Energy.
I know what I want from my energy company. I want to know that my power is always on and that my energy is cleaner, safer, and affordable. That's why, as a Duke Energy lineman, I'm working hard to make that possible. I feel honored to serve our community. It's a good feeling knowing that I'm helping to build a smarter, reliable energy future for all of us, for my family and for yours.
We have great support from our parents and our family and the town, and they I think they're all behind us and helping us make it happen and get out and play in other cities as well. But this community there's a lot of music here, especially acoustic music. So you learn so much from playing with other people and being able to jam and just have fun. And you meet people on the road and that kind of stuff as well, and I really enjoy that.
So being able to be a promoter of North Carolina is awesome, I feel like, since their younger age and everything like that, hopefully gets the people into the music from this area. Well, we love to travel. We love getting in the van, for those 8-hour car rides, going across state, going somewhere.
We have a high-top van, we go through, or a bus or wherever. It just depends on what we got going on. But we will I sleep, typically, because I got to rest up for the show. But if I'm not, and we're just chilling, we have our gaming system hooked up, okay? So, and with that hooked up, we just try to pick games that are nice and neutral, so we don't leave the bus and everybody's mad,
But it is awesome to also be able to come back and play local venues in the area and kind of show people how we have progressed.
Oh, it was fun. It was a lot of fun. We drove down. I guess that's like a 3-hour drive, so it's not bad. So we drove down and got set up with sound check and met all the bands. Other bands were super nice. It sounded great. And we also walked around the fair a little bit. Some great food. That's one thing with music, the food. All these different types of food and all over the place. It's awesome. And there was also some other great bands there as well that were playing outside of the arena, so it's a lot of fun.
There ain't nothing better when it's bad, ain't nothing
worse. It was good. It was great. I thought it was a great venue, great show. I liked it a lot.
Oh, that was big stage, one of the biggest that we played. It was awesome. The atmosphere, the people were so kind to us, from the stage help, all the way down sound crew to the other bands that competed. We all just really had a great time. Truly, it was just it was really just a North Carolina feeling, all the hospitality and of course the funnel cake, and it was just a really good time.
Oh yeah, that's what it's all about. It's the big crowds, and as a musician, that's sort of what you live for.
I've been working in the gym. I've been working on it and working on bulking up a little bit, and I will through springtime and summer and all. But I gotta eat. That's part of it. So I mean, being a musician and on stage, you wouldn't think about it exactly, but it really, you have to have some endurance to be able to jump around and perform and run the stage, sing and play at the same time and do all this together. So that's just part of it, and it makes my job easier, basically.
Step I take. All right, y'all help me out. Here we go. And every step I take, and every step I take, and every step I take, every step I take, and every step I take, and every step I take, and every step I take, every step I take.
I just see myself being in a lot of different places probably at one time, so I'll probably continue to teach and help, teach. But I love playing with my brother and doing the More Brothers Band. That's, anytime I can play with my brother and make a living at that, through the time, it's hard to beat that. I mean, I love working with all those guys and making that happen, so.
I'll probably go all my life playing, keeps getting bigger and playing for whoever I need to, or playing in the band, probably going towards the top, definitely.
Oh, I know, the Isaac Lovers, that's his fan club, and they actually, anytime that we're towards their area in eastern North Carolina, they'll come out and watch him and see him. So I'll give him a hard time about it. It's pretty funny. I've taken from, I guess, 8 to 10 different teachers on different instruments, and what I've learned from that is that I love being able to pass that on to somebody else. I have around 20, 25 students now, and with those students I have all ages, all the way from elementary school all the way to retired. And being able to pass on that music, or somebody being able to play their favorite song, it's very cool to be able to see that all come to place, because they'll learn their chords, whatever they need to know, they practice it, and you see them progress, and then they finally get to their goal and what they're wanting to do. It's awesome. We have a lot of fun, love the music, and everybody, music is it brings everybody together in a way. And I know we've heard that before, but it really does for a band. Almost it gets to a spiritual point as well, because you're just using the gifts that you've been given.
Homegrown Music is a production of the North Carolina Channel. Major funding is provided by Duke Energy.
I know what I want from my energy company. I want to know that my power is always on and that my energy is cleaner, safer, and affordable. That's why, as a Duke Energy lineman, I'm working hard to make that possible. I feel honored to serve our community. It's a good feeling knowing that I'm helping to build a smarter, reliable energy future for all of us, for my family and for yours.
North Carolina Channel is made possible by the financial contributions of viewers like you who support the UNC TV network.